Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to day 5 of quarantine with skincare. As I'm using a lot of skincare these days, I have stocked up a lot of skincare empties also. So today's video will be the skincare empties that I finished up during quarantine. I have these products over here in this bag and it's all over 10 or 13 products in total, not counted them. But before starting, as a ritual, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can get daily updates. So first I'm going to talk about something that is my absolute love, and I swear by this face wash. This face wash has worked phenomenal for me, and I'm talking about the Neutrogena oil free acne face wash which has salicylic acid in it. So these are the 3 face wash that I've finished up, all from Neutrogena. 2 of them are the oil free one and one was the pink grapefruit variant. I did not like this at all. The pink grapefruit one was not that great as the original one, so I won't be buying that, but the original one I have restocked it and I am absolutely loving it. Next is the aloe vera gel from Forest Essentials. This is the Forest Essential light hydrating pure aloe vera. It's a 50-gram of tub, and see how cute, how bougie the packaging is, and it costed 13.50. For pure aloe vera, 13.50 is quite up the mark. You can always go ahead and use pure aloe vera from the plant directly. This was something that was really fancy, but nothing that I will buy again. Some of the product is still left, but it is expired, so I won't be using it again. Next are the Raw Nature products, and these are the body wash as well as the face wash. I have this face wash volcanic green clay which is totally over. It was a okay product, nothing that was super extraordinary. These are SLS and paraben free, a really good product, but nothing that I would be buying again. And same goes for this body wash. It was a good body wash, but nothing extraordinary. Talking about the body washes, I have this winter candy flavor from Bath and Body Works. I absolutely loved this. It was much better than the previous one, but I will not buy it again because I need to try out other variants also. But this was a really good product and the scent was really nice. Loved it 2 bits. Next is from Face Shop, and it's the Herb Day Cleansing Cream Fruit Mix. Absolutely love the product. It's totally finished up. I have stocked up but in different variant, but these cleansing creams are so inexpensive and these are so good to thoroughly clean your skin. Next is this Innisfree green tea skin seed. I like this product a lot. Nothing bad about this. I have used it up as a toner, but according to the price, as it costed me around 1500, there are other more good toners available in the market, but this one, loved it. I'm not sure I'm gonna buy it again. Can try different Innisfree toners for sure. Next I have this Himalaya Purifying Neem face wash, and it's foaming. It has this fancy pump where when you will shake up the product and use it, you will get a lathered up product for face wash. I have used the original Neem face wash and it's really good. It performs almost the same, but the difference is this fancy pump that it has. Because of this, it is very difficult to travel with. I don't think so I will be buying it again. I will be buying the normal face wash from Himalaya. Next is from Forest Essentials, and it's the Delicate Facial Cleanser. This is a 50 ml bottle and you get very less amount in this, but it's really good. It does not suck out all the moisture from your face. I need to restock on this as soon as possible. I have this Cetaphil moisturizing lotion. I'm not even sure how many of them I've used it. Some of them might be lying around finished up, but I was not able to get it for the video today. But this lotion is my drugstore favorite. You have been using it for years. It's really inexpensive. It's also recommended by doctors. The second last product that I have, it's the Gucci Bloom shower gel. This was a free sample that I got, and it's a really good shower gel. Nothing too great about it, and has a very nice mild fragrance to it. Next is the Oriflame Protecting Intimate Wash. This one is really good. Have used up whole bottle. I have restocked other intimate washes, not this one particularly because it was out of stock. I will be buying it soon as I get hands on it. Loved it a lot. Guys, that's all for today's empties. Hope you enjoy it. Please do like, share and subscribe. This is Ayushi signing off. Bye.